In this YouTube keyword research video, I'm going to show you how I got 38 million views from YouTube search and Google search. This video is going to be jam-packed with information, and I'm going to give you some free game here. Here you can see my graph of views here from YouTube search. Now you can see it goes up and up and up, and that is the result of ranking videos in the YouTube search engine. You can see here is my analytics, and we are toggling here YouTube search and external, and I'm currently getting around 36,000 views per day. So that's pretty good, right? And I'm going to show you some keyword research tips, secrets, and just things that I wish I knew when I was first starting out. Now, it's important to be clear. We're talking about YouTube keyword research, so we can try and rank videos on the first page of YouTube. Now, ranking videos in the search engine is much different than creating a video for the general browse section of YouTube. It's very important to know the difference when you're creating a video for YouTube search compared to browse, because it's a completely different audience. When you create videos for the browse section, a viewer is just browsing for something to watch and you need to catch their attention. When you create videos for the YouTube search engine, the viewer knows exactly what they want, in this case how to remove background in Photoshop. You just have to create a good video which helps them with their exact search query. So bear that in mind when we're looking for keywords and when we're trying to think of videos and ideas to make videos about. Now the first bit of game I'm going to put you onto is a free website called keywordsheeter.com. Now on this website you can type in a keyword, or you can type in like a starting keyword and get many long tail keywords from that. Now we can use these keywords to then brainstorm ideas and think of more keywords. So if we take this example here, the Photoshop channel, you first need to kind of understand, okay, what do I want my channel to be about? So let's say I've got a channel where I create Photoshop tutorials. If I then go to Keyword Sheeter and type in here, how to Photoshop, and then click Sheet Keywords, it's going to give me hundreds, if not thousands of keywords available. And these are keywords which people are searching for. You can see we just let it run for a bit and we've now got 91 keywords. Now not every one of these is going to be a good video to make, a good keyword, but it gives you ideas. And the way keyword research works, at least the way I do it, you get a keyword in mind and you kind of like branch off and go and find different keywords from that one keyword. So let's just scroll through here. So you've got how to Photoshop photos on iPhone, how to Photoshop on iPhone without app. You've got here how to Photoshop acne, and obviously all of these keywords start with how to Photoshop, but these are different kind of like categories here. So you've got acne. So if I just go to YouTube and I go to the actual search results and I type in how to Photoshop acne, you can see we've got how to Photoshop acne out of a picture, how to remove acne scars, and you've got to think here how people would search for their search terms. So in my eyes, people will probably search how to remove acne, and you can see here YouTube are going to give you results of what people are searching for, and how to remove acne in Photoshop is one of those search terms. Now if we click space again, it's going to give us more longer tail keywords. How to remove pimples in Photoshop. So we're just going to go ahead and search how to remove acne in Photoshop. You can see the video ranking number 1 has 169,000 views, 5 million subscribers, and it looks to be here these are massive channels that I really wouldn't compete with. So you just want to go through these and find different keywords which you can explore. So how to Photoshop background, how to change background in Photoshop, how to Photoshop a double chin. So you will go how to remove double chin in Photoshop. You can see this is also quite a competitive keyword, but someone here has ranked with 12,000 subscribers. Now the reason I can see the subscribers is because of a tool called vidIQ, and I'll leave a link to vidIQ in the description below. It's just essentially a Chrome add-on. So here you can see vidIQ Vision for YouTube, and it allows you to kind of like analyze the results and see if you could rank for this or not. So you can see someone's ranked number 5 with 2,000 subscribers. So this could be a good or a decent video to make. Now another way that you can use this tool is you could type how to then underscore in Photoshop. And what it's going to do is it's going to fill the underscore with potential keywords. So if we now click Sheet Keywords, it's now going to give us all of these pretty juicy keywords. How to blend images in Photoshop. How to blend images in Photoshop. And from these initial keywords, you can go ahead and find other keywords. So if we remove in Photoshop, we could try how to blend images together in Photoshop, how to blend images to background in Photoshop. And you can see this is kind of how you do it. You get into the flow and you find more keywords. Here you've got how to fade an image into background in Photoshop from a channel with 1,000 subscribers. So I will go ahead and explore that. How to fade an image in Photoshop. How to fade an image to transparent in Photoshop. And you can see if I had a notepad or just a way of collecting these keywords, I've probably got a list of 10 already. How to fade an image to transparent in Photoshop. You can see this channel has 1,400 subscribers and their video has ranked and it's got 591,000 views. How to make fading gradient transparent effect. So they're ranking for this keyword, how to fade an image to transparent in Photoshop. Now all of these keywords have stemmed from the keyword sheeter tool, and it's great for just getting ideas and kind of exploring keywords that you wouldn't have thought of. Now another way that you can find keywords is you can go to the actual YouTube search engine and type how to _ Photoshop, and then you've got different videos here, and you can replace this underscore with different letters. So you've got A, and then you've got add text, add font, add photo. You can do the same for B, and you've got how to blur background, how to background remove. And people are searching for all of these different things. If you have a niche or a category and you created all of these videos, there's probably thousands, you could guarantee that some will rank and you'll start to become an authority in Photoshop. Let me just go ahead and check out this channel and see if they're doing that exact same thing. See, this channel has 1,400 subscribers and they've given up. But if you go to their most popular videos here, this video is getting 30 views per hour. So if they would have just stuck to it, they probably could have built a successful Photoshop channel. Now when you're doing keyword research, you can see it's a good idea to know how many views videos are getting that are currently ranking. So this right here is a great keyword. How to fade an image into transparent, or how to make fading gradient transparent effect. You can see this has 30 views per hour and all of this traffic is going to be coming from YouTube search. 30 views an hour for YouTube search is crazy. So 30 views an hour times by 24 hours of the day. This video is getting 720 views per day, which is around 21,000 views per month just from this one short 1-minute tutorial video alone. So this is the power of keyword research. This is the power of YouTube search. This is coming from someone who has ranked thousands of videos off YouTube search, made 38 million views from YouTube search. It's very untapped. It's very powerful. The one thing you have to do though is find good keywords and make good videos which actually solve people's problems, and the videos will rank over time. YouTube search is not a quick get rich quick game. It is not quick. It's long. But if you can go ahead and upload videos and you can wait like a year for these to rank, you can start to reap the rewards of passive income. So that's been a YouTube keyword research tutorial. I hope that was valuable to some people. It was just the basics. If you want to learn more about this, let me know and watch the video on screen if it is relevant to you.